What's up, what's up, what's up? You already know this is Peach, and today I just came into Publix to get some ingredients because I'm about to make some pot roast. Well, not some, a pot roast. I'm debating if I want to do cabbage with it. Look at these collard greens. Don't they look so good? Not that one don't look so good. But let's get the other stuff. I don't know what size I'm making yet. I just know I want a pot roast. We need some carrots. We need some potatoes. We need an onion. Carrots are only 79¢. Wow, that's a good deal on carrots. Well, it's because ain't nothing in here. We like carrots. I'm going to get 2 bags of carrots. All right, now we need to get some celery, which is why I was looking at all of that greenery over there, but I didn't see it. And let me also get some thyme. It's organic thyme. $2.29, baby. Give me the non-organic stuff. What a non-organic thyme. How much that cost? We're going to see if we can find some non-organic thyme today, Peach Patch, and save us a coin or two. But I need celery. I feel like it's in my face laughing at me. Excuse me. Where's the celery? Okay, thank you. Right by the carrot, y'all, in my face. I don't have on my glasses and I'm blind as a bat. So that's most likely the reason why. Pardon me. Yep, right above the carrots. The celery is $1.99. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get this one. Gotta get this celery a real good rinse. Put these back. All right. Now we need an onion. Let's go ahead and grab this onion over here. I like yellow onions. Comment down below which one do you prefer. Yellow, white jumbo onions, or sweet onions. Actually, I'm going to get a sweet onion. 2 sweet onions instead of yellow. But yellow is like typically my favorite. That's what most people in my family use. All right, we're going to get this one. That looks like a pretty decent onion. And I don't know why this onion calling my name. But it is. It's calling my name. So those 2 onions. Probably only going to use 1. And then I'm going to get a bag of potatoes. We have potatoes at home. But Daddy like cooking with potatoes a lot. So I'm just going to get my own potatoes too. I like using brown potatoes. These. Well, Idaho potatoes. Rustic Idaho potatoes. It's my favorite personally. Comment down below which potatoes you like. These are good. You know, the pretty red, petite red potatoes. Those are really good, but they cook too fast. So I'm going to put this in my pot roast. I want them to take a long time to cook. That's why I prefer those. And I think that's all we needed. Oh, I'm going to get some beef broth. I never use broth when cooking. Like, I know how to season food real good. I don't need no beef broth. Go ahead and please the Peach Patch and get me some beef broth to go in my pot roast. All right, Peach Patch, let's find the beef broth. My aunt said she used beef broth. My mama don't. I never used beef broth till I got on YouTube and people were suggesting it. I never used chicken broth, any of that kind of stuff. We just season our water real good and eventually it boils down. So let's look for some beef stock. I don't know which brand is the best. College Inn, Progresso. So many options. We're going to just get the College Inn, okay? College Inn beef stock. We're going to check this hot, okay? Comment down below if you use beef broth when you're making pot roast and oxtails and things of that nature. I honestly hate self-checkout, but aisle 7 is the only aisle open, and that lady got a whole bunch of stuff. So we're going to do self-checkout today. All right, Peach Patch, let's go ahead and start scanning this stuff so we can go home and make us a delicious pot roast. $4.99, $5 for some potatoes. There's barely any carrots in this carrot. Dang. 79¢. Alright. Our chicken, well, beef stock. $2.99. Put that right there. I like that how you do that right there, right there. Our onion search. I never thought I would see the day Publix would get onions, would get self-checkout. Let's go kid in. Sweet onion. Right here. Sweet onion. No container. Oh, I should have put plastic bag. So $1.66. That wasn't too shabby. Wasn't too shabby. Put that with potatoes. And lastly, our expensive organic thyme. Alright, our total ended up being $15.50. This pot roast better be good, baby. No cash back. Enter PIN.
Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Approved. Let's get our receipt. Alright, Peach Patch, I'm about to go over on cooking with Peach today. It's been a long time. And we're going to cook this pot roast. So if you haven't subscribed or checked out Cooking with Peach, please do so. I'm going to start posting more on that channel and cooking more often. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like, 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 like. Let's go. Like, 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 like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, 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 like. Let's go. Like, 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 like. Follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like it like, hit her like, for your girl. Take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like, Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like, Africa go like, worldwide go like, I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right, hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.